After graduating from United States Military Academy, I had the great opportunity to serve 9 years as a U.S. Army infantry officer. Upon completion of that service, I then went into the manufacturing field in positions with John Deere at our Waterloo engine facility, and then further positions in manufacturing leadership roles at the multiple tractor facilities in Waterloo. In 2009, I was able to transition down here to the Quad Cities and in a role as operations manager for the combine harvester factory in East Moline, Illinois. Upon completion of that, I then went into a strategy and other corporate roles to include workforce development over the past 6 to 9 years. So in 2019, a number of different leaders, local school leaders, other manufacturers, took a trip and we benchmarked the Pella School District high school apprentice program and came back and started our first apprentice program with 4 businesses, 9 students in 1 occupation for welding in the Quad Cities in May of 2019. We've continued to make improvements and grow those programs with the help of so many different people in our communities, and it culminated last year with 78 students partnering with 29 business partners to sign apprentice programs into 11 different occupations.
I used to say all the time, if you want to see how to develop your workforce, you need to go to John Deere and you need to talk to David, because David was innovative, creative. He was willing to take some risk and try new things in order to figure out what was the best way to develop the future workforce for John Deere. Pretty much anything that we wanted to try, he would be willing to try. And when David does something, he does it 150%.
I'd love to thank John Deere for providing me the time, the opportunity, and the resources to lead these efforts. I'd like to thank Dan Mitchell for nominating me for this award, and of course, thank you to ABI for recognizing me, and also all of the folks that helped make this happen. This reward, or this award, is a reflection of their great efforts. And like I said earlier, I had the simple role of connecting them, their passions, to make an impact on our students and our communities and many businesses.